Hello and welcome back to the Color and Dirt Catcher Wash Care demo. It catches all the color and the dirt while your laundry is being washed. Now let's see the comparison between these fabrics with and without the color catcher. So here I have two beakers filled with water that represent your washing machine drums. To this I'm going to add some ink. Let's give it a stir. Nice and blue. Now to both of these, I'm going to add these white pieces of cloth. One to this one. To the second one, I'm going to add the color and dirt catcher as well with the piece of cloth. Stir. Let's give this a little stir. So this is what happens in your washing machine drum. And you can see that it's slowly catching all the color and making the water clear. So here's the fabric in the drum with the color catcher, and this is the fabric. As you can see, it's turned a little blue, and here is the color catcher. As you can see, it's got all the color and it's blue. Add 1 sheet of color and dirt catcher per wash. And now you can wash mixed loads without having to worry about the color running. This works best with an IFB front load washing machine.